What is the advantage of using an electric rototiller as opposed to a gas one? Well, if you have a very big garden, yeah, I would recommend using a gas one for sure. But just remember that when you use a gas motor, you're going to have maintenance. If you're going to have a small garden in, would it be okay to have a gas one? Sure, but you're going to have maintenance. So when you need that rototiller to start, will it start? Now I have an electric snowblower, and I've had it for 10 years. Not a problem, starts up every time. Had another couple other snowblowers that were motors with gas. They quit. So when I needed them, they weren't useful, so I had to pull out the electric one. Here's this electric one. Now this one here, it's an Earthwise, and it is definitely worth its money. It's rated in the top 6, I believe it is, and it has this here. Now, because that sensor is there, it's going to leave a little small row in here. So you want to move it around a little bit to get that little row taken care of. Now, this has been rototillered once before, actually twice, but because it's been a few days, I'm going to go ahead and do it again. And how do you do it? First thing you do is you got to push in this button right here. Once you push that button in, you got to pull this handle at the same time, and then hold this baby down. Let's see if we can do it and record. It's going to be very jumpy. Now let the handle go and it automatically shuts off. Now this is very important because see, I have rototilled this already. The first rototill was very hard. So when I work that rest of that grass down, it's going to be very hard to do. After that, I'm going to continue to rototill between the rows to help the plants to grow, to keep these weeds at bay, and to make this a good place for my garden to grow. That's how you rototill. This is pretty fast here because I already have the ground already taken care of, as you can see in those furrows. This has been done twice, once this way and once this way. So now I'm just working this row because I'm going to plant down here all the things that I have to worry about, those white butterflies laying those green worms' eggs to eat my broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, etc. So I'm going to put all those in this row here, hopefully, and then I'm going to cover them with a cloth that's designed to keep it so that that white butterfly cannot lay eggs onto those plants. And I'll show you that on the next video because I actually had to order it because I decided to do it too late and all the local stores are out. So that's how you rototill. Stay tuned.